Hey guys, let's start with finding email address using Google Sheets add-on. This finding tool will be using your first name, last name and company URL. Using this information, we will be checking if there is any email address in this person. In our previous tutorial, we already instructed how to verify an email address list using Gamalogic Google Sheet add-on. Using the same Google Sheet add-on, you can find email address in batch wise, bulk wise. You can go through our tutorial in our blog section. I'm just in the home page. Let's go to the blog section and you can see that there is a blog for finding email address by company URL and name. Just click on that. Once the blog has loaded, just go to the tutorial section and you can see it is having step 1 opening new Google Sheet. This is a simple process. I'm not showing that how to do that in this video. Step 2, just go to the link to install the add-on, where you can go to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can see our add-on. We are just clicking on that. Let's see that I already installed that. So only the thing is just to click install. Let's start to open the add-on. Let's click on the add-on, go to Gamalogic email verifier, email finder, then go to the subsection email verify and email finder. You can see that the sidebar has opened, and let's check how can install from the add-on itself. Just click on that get add-ons. You can see the workspace marketplace has popped up. Just search for the email finder. You can see the Gamalogic I have already installed, and this is for okay you can install. You can, since we have installed, we are not trying to do that. Let's go to the Gamalogic email verifier and finder and see the sidebar has opened. This is where we start to validate, and click on the finder tab, and here we can see that this is where we find email address. So in the same add-on itself, you can validate email address and find email address. Start by adding headers. Click on add headers checkbox. You can see the headers has been displayed. This headers help us to add the data accordingly. So I already have the data in the Excel file, the first name, second name and company addresses. So this company will help us to find the email address. So let's copy that. So you can see this has been displayed. So you can see the first name is in column A, column B that's last name, and column C the company URL. So our result will be displayed in the column D in the email address section. So let's start finding the email addresses by clicking start finder. Before that, we need to add the API key in this add-on. Let's copy the API key from the dashboard. So this is where I added the API key. Let's click on the copy key and just paste in the add-on text box. So this is simple. Just paste it, and let's start the finder application here. So click on start finder. So it will take some time, not more than 60 seconds. So that's where we can get the results. So you can see that after some time you will be getting the results in the column D. So only the validated email addresses will be displayed here. What we mean by validated means we already have an email validation tool in our system. So once we get this email address, we'll be validating through our system, and already that system the certified results will be displayed, and the results has been displayed. So you can see that there is a color code here. So the green ones means the valid ones, yellow means the catch-all addresses. So the valid ones will be having 100% they will be right, and the catch-all we certifies like for 50 to 60% chances. So if you're getting a green juice, which means it is very good. So those addresses will be helping us to find the real target. So you can see the credits has been displayed, the balance credits and total number for 4 email addresses we have figured it out, which means we have been consumed 40 credits. You can see by clicking reset, you can reset that Google Sheet. You can buy credits from this sheet itself. So this is how Auto works.